my very own prawn fried rice.
Sounds delicious.
I know, right? I can't wait to taste it as well. Let's look at the ingredients. Here I have 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of diced carrots, 2 tablespoons of green peas, 4 cooked prawns, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, some cooked and chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 cracked egg, and last but not least, cooked rice.
Let's get cooked today.
Let's go! Okay, so now we need to put our oil. Put one of that in. We mix. We put our garlic. We fry that garlic and we put our onions.
We put egg, Aman.
Yeah, and we need to put our egg. So we mix that.
We add our butter.
Yeah, our butter.
We melt the butter first here.
Yeah.
Now while we put the butter here, Aman, we put the prawn inside.
Yeah.
Right. And comes with the carrots. We put the green peas.
Yep. And we mix that
Yep.
around.
Keep stirring.
Yep.
We put
Some sesame oil,
the oil.
fish sauce, light soya sauce. Put all of that together. Then last but not least, rice.
Keep stirring, Aman.
Yep. Keep going.
And see the beautiful fried rice now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what we do is we put the
And white pepper.
pepper.
Mix that around.
And last we put
Salt.
some salt.
It looks really nice, doesn't it?
Yes, Aman. It's nice. I can smell the
Aroma.
aroma. Can't wait to taste the food. So still stir it for 1 to 2 minutes to make sure the rice is cooked. Besides prawn, we can also put a chicken, but today our dish is prawn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure it's cooked properly. Just leave it for 30 seconds. Come by the plate. We are ready.
Now all we need to do is just plate it.
Turn off the fire first for the safety reason. Look, Aman.
It looks really nice.
Yeah, let's try.
Isaac, come. The rice is ready.
Okay. It looks delicious.
Let's eat.
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below your thoughts on this video. See you guys.
Bye.